एसडी न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
सम्मान्य सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी का 150th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी के तौर पर आज क्या बीदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस तरफ से हम मैराथन रखे। मैराथन 3 किलोमीटर से मैराथन ये बीदर सिटी बसवेश्वर सर्कल से स्टार्ट होके क्लासिक दाबा शिवनगर रनिंग वॉकिंग ट्रैक तक है। टोटल 3 किलोमीटर है। इसमें बीदर सिटी का शाइन स्कूल का बच्चे, ज्ञानसुधा स्कूल का बच्चे, कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल का बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करें और बीदर हमारा डीआर स्टाफ और सिविल स्टाफ और बीदर पब्लिक और मीडिया लोग सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें। ये प्रोग्राम अच्छा करें। सब ये प्रोग्राम में इन्वॉल्व हुए तो सब लोगों को बीदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस के वजह से हम थैंक्स बोलते हैं। थैंक यू।
नौजवानों को आपका मैसेज
इस मौके पर ये क्या है, ये रन फॉर यूनिटी है। इसमें क्या है, ये ड्रग फ्री के लिए कर रहे हैं। कोई यूथ सा ड्रग के लिए एडिक्ट नहीं होना, नो ड्रग्स बोलना, ड्रग से दूर रहना, उनका ध्यान एजुकेशन तरफ से देना, फिट रहना, हेल्दी रहना, यूनिट होकर रहना, सब इसमें डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं करके यूनिट होकर रहना। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल।
Public who participated in the Run for Unity. Today, in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel birth anniversary, we conducted this marathon unity, Run for Unity, to just memorize and inculcate all the values taught by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was our first Union Home Minister post-independence. He is the one who fought for the integrity and the unity of the nation. When British gave freedom to India, there were 565 princely states. You know what are princely states? Like Mysore, Hyderabad, which were not under Indian dominion. They were also given freedom separately, and they were given a choice whether to stay independent or to stay with India or with the Pakistan by the then British government. It was the vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his conviction and commitment and his dedication and strong efforts which gave the shape to modern India. Otherwise, we would have independent union territories within India. Like, just imagine Hyderabad being a separate country within India. Just imagine Kashmir, just imagine Junagadh, imagine Mysore being an independent countries within our country again. He is the one who united all these princely states and brought them under Indian territory. If you see his conviction and commitment with respect to the Hyderabad princely state, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel being a Union Home Minister, he even used the military to bring Hyderabad under Indian territory. His decisions were so strong, so convicted, so dedicated, because of which he is called as Iron Man of India. Today we could see whole map of India because of the efforts done by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The message he is giving today values a lot to the youth here. It is the responsibility of today's youth to hold the national unity, integrity, to bring all the people together irrespective of caste, religion, race, whatever, this language, region. Despite all these differences, it is the responsibility of the youth to hold the country together. This is the value given by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Today we have conducted all these activities to memorize what Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has taught us, to inculcate all those ideologies in us and move forward. And thank you for all the students who participated in these competitions. I once again congratulate all the winners and also the participants. Thank you for being part of Bidar Police.